Hello everyone, my name is Vaidas, aka Rough Virus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how to make templates for the small parts. All what we need is transfer paper, pencil. Best is to use a wax pen, but at the moment I don't have it with me, so I will use just pen. Our first step is to find the transfer paper, place it on the panel. I want to make a template for this fog light, so we need to I'm gonna shape it. It's a super easy flat panel. Now we're gonna use pen and I will draw on the edge of the light. I'm cutting this excess film because it's in our way. And when we peel our transfer paper from the light, we have this shape, we have this line. So now is two options. If you are in your studio, you have a scanner, you can scan it, you can put in the software and cut on the plotter, but for a panel like this, we can cut by hand, super easy. So let's place this template on the paint protection film. I just found this offcut and I'm placing our template on it. That's it. Now it's time to use our knife and we need to cut on our line. So our template is ready. We can flip this template opposite way and then it's gonna fit for other side. So keep in mind, you don't need to make two templates. Flip it and it's gonna suit for other side. So we have template and now is the time to install it on the fog light. Let's spray slip solution on the panel, on the film. Then we need to remove backing paper. More slip solution. Then it's the time to place our template on the fog light. In this case, you're gonna avoid cutting on the panel, on the headlight, tail light, or interior part. Sometimes in these areas it's very tricky to put your knife. And it's done. It took me like 10 minutes. So this is a way we make a template for the simple panels such as fog lights, headlights, or even interior trims. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. With you was me, Rough Virus, and I will see you next time. Bye.